Hi everyone. What we're going to be going over in this assignment is the Start Here button or Start Here folder that's in materials for your class. And the purpose of this is to just explain the way your class works to your students. So a lot of times they'll come in at the beginning, you'll get a chance to talk to them, possibly in person or maybe in office hours or when you see them in person if they're a blended student. But sometimes they come in late. Sometimes they come in. We have students coming in at all different times throughout the quarter. Hopefully, it's just within the first 2 weeks. And say they're coming in at the end of this last, the last of the second week of the quarter, the Hexter, and they need to figure out how your class works. It's not always possible to sit down with them and just have a half an hour conversation with them and explain the way your class works. And it's good for them to have a reference to go back to that explains different things to them. So it could be about the way you take notes in class. It could be about the way that you give assessments. You might have certain requirements about, where they can take assessments and if you have to be there and things like that. So those subtle little nuances about your class you need to be explained. And that's what the Start Here button is going to be about. I think Mr. DePaul did a great job of this. I'm going to use his as an exemplar for this requirement. This is a course norm, so everybody has to have a Start Here button. And for course norms, it's expected that they be in materials. So if I click on materials, it should be the first folder that I see when I open up materials. It should be at the very top of all your hexters. These will be changed to hexters later. So it should be at the top of the quarters. And the first thing they see when they click on materials, then you click on Start Here. And Mr. DePaul did a great job of creating different screencasts, videos to explain different things about his class. So he has them. It's great that he doesn't have just one video that explains his whole class. He has it chunked into different topic areas. And I think this is a great exemplar of how you should do it. And he has it by meet your teacher. So he explains about himself, class expectations, how to set up your Google Drive, a typical week in Schoology, so a typical week in his class, typing math equations in Schoology and Google Docs, so how to type those in. So like a certain, it's a subtle thing about a math class that he needs to explain of how they need to type in math equations. And then he also has some different files here about uploading a picture into Schoology, rubrics, syllabus, the student handbook for the school. So he just has it as a catch-all place for all the things about his class and different things about the school too. He has it all in this Start Here folder. So this is a great example. If you have any questions, as always, let me know if you have any questions about the Start Here button. And I will talk to you all soon. Thank you.